Airbnb in Nottingham, Trent. So in case you are coming here and you need Airbnb, just give me a call, just send me a message. You are covered. Man, this place is beautiful. Like you have you're coming with your family. This is perfect. This will be perfect for you. Look at the kitchen, very comfy. Wow, beautiful. Oh my god, can you just imagine? So this is the lounge. That's my mama, the mom herself. Oh, see how beautiful she is. If I tell you her age, I'll not go run. Someone will not go that side.
Alright guys, make your way upstairs.
So this is the we were just going upstairs.
Wow!
This place is beautiful.
Wow, this is lovely.
Oh my god.
Wow!
See, if you are coming with your family, this is it now. God, I wish I can just walk my transfer here from Cambridge. Oh my god, this place is so beautiful.
If they stay here now, this house if I just carry.
I'm telling you, I will not even think as in just I don't know that Frank will agree or Frank will say I no go pay.
No, you just say
Frank will get choice.
I will stay here for the next 6 months to 1 year until you sort yourself.
Oh my god. Hey, this place is beautiful.
And you can adjust the so you can capture.
This is good.
Okay, yeah, better. Man, this is beautiful. This is beautiful.
Come on, see.
Oh, the restroom, the bathroom, very neat. I mean, this house is neat. I don't know how much it's worth though. As in, I don't know how much it takes for this house, but this house is so beautiful. If you are coming to that Nottingham area, oh boy, just call me. Oh, see correct, clean, neat, and Airbnb for you. Oh my god. Just see the outside view.
Well, this is a three bedroom house.
Okay, 3-bedroom house.
You have the whole house. You have the whole house for yourself. So it's not like hotel where you just patch in one bedroom.
Yeah.
You know? But with this, you've got
and you can cook your nice
You can cook your meal.
You know?
Oh my god. If you have 2 kids, 3 kids, this is just
This is what
it.
you call home away from home.
Home away from home. This place is so beautiful, so neat,
Why you have
on
why
point.
you have 2 homes?
Baby, how you see this place
That's what I'm
now?
saying. So you can move from one home to another home.
So this is one of the rooms. Imagine. Yeah, no, if I had to stay on Airbnb, I would just stay.
See the light. See the light. See the light. Wow.
So beautiful. And there's a mirror here.
Beautiful.
There's a mirror here. This is so beautiful, honestly. Oh my god.
This is good.
Oh no.
Oh,
I'm
sorry,
just
mommy.
wow.
Sorry, mommy. I.
Wow.
Wait, were you the one that actually designed the interior?
Yes, so
Like seriously?
everything from
No, you didn't.
it was an empty
no
house.
Help. No help. You didn't. You're the one that bought
Yeah,
the
I won't
colors,
say. Yeah, I
that
won't
mixed
say.
the colors.
Yeah, nice me now. No, actually,
So
boxes follow me to go
beautiful.
and buy. I'm choosing. This
Oh
will be
my
nice. This will be like
God.
da 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 da.
Mommy,
I'm so
I'm
hungry.
not cooking.
Frank, get my time. By the time Frank come, now
This one should be children's room.
You need to make Frank do for this house.
Sir!
Man, this house is beautiful. See, if you have not subscribed to my channel, just click the Mena baby, how are you? Okay. If you have not subscribed, just click the subscribe button. That's it. Just click the subscribe button. Wow, I'm going to be doing a lot of vlog even when I start working. So like I said before, I'll be starting work next week, Monday, 1st of August, and I'm going to do a vlog on my first day at work, and I'm going to be doing subsequent vlogs, and I'm also going to do a vlog on how I got my job right from Nigeria. Okay, wow. So this is one of my brother's houses. He has Well, it has a lot of houses here in the UK. So we just followed him here. It's an Airbnb apartment, serviced apartment. And if you are a Nigerian, you're coming to Nottingham, Trent, like you're coming as a family, you need a place where you can just stay for some time, or even you want to rent. It has a lot of properties for rent also. If you want to rent, if you want Airbnb, just leave a comment under the comment section, or you just chat me up. Wow, this is so beautiful. Yes, so this is me. This is my third or second day I think in the UK, and I am catching so much fun. You must have, in case you've not seen my other vlog, just go and check my channel. I've done some vlogs. The first one is my travel relocation vlog with my family. We came as a family of 4. So I just love this UK. I love the UK. I love it for my kids. I love it for my husband. I love it for myself. I just love the UK. So in case you are planning to come to the UK, I beg, plan am well. Oh. This place is it's so beautiful, not quite. It's so beautiful. The system is working. Everything is just orderly and organized. I mean, yeah, we go to visit Nigeria. Why not? Nigeria is our home. We go to visit Nigeria. So what I actually did today was we woke up. How I spent my day. We woke up, we had breakfast. Oh, we attended service. We did online breakfast, and then we went to visit Martins. And I'm going to add some of the our visit, some of the videos, some of our scenes. So I'm going to add it to this vlog. So we visited Martin, who is our family friend. From there, we went to a barbecue party, and then down to my brother's house. And from here, guess what? The flexing never finished. From here, we are going to Cosmo. It's a Chinese restaurant here in Nottingham, Trent. So we are going to Cosmo from here. Man, this place too fine. Oh. Almost see now. This place too clean. I don't know how much they still rent this one. Oh, but they didn't make brain. It didn't make brain. Serious brain. Okay. So my name is Mercy. I just came in for about 3 days ago with my kids and my husband as a family of 4. I actually came in as through the Tier 2 visa route. I had a job from Nigeria. Well, that one another day matter. So. Wow, UK fine. No, I don't go feel like the place too fine. It's too fine. So if you want to know anything, you want me to vlog, you have any topic you would like me to vlog on, you can just leave it here in the comment section. Okay, so my kids are in the car. They didn't come up with us. They're outside in the car. Let me see if now. Yeah, they okay, see them. They are right there in the car. Okay, so we're going to Cosmo now. When I get there, now that I won't do vlog because it no go easy. We just want to have dinner at the Chinese restaurant. So we'll see later. If you have not subscribed, click the subscribe button. Okay, all my followers, and I'm going to be doing some educational stuff as well. So if you're my follower, just stay tuned. Just hang on. Okay, see you all later. All I'm saying